To use the pool and spa, the controls are located over here. You have a few options: waterfall, jets, air blower, and spa. The problem most people have is these buttons take a very long time to respond, so just wait. If I press spa, it'll take about 30 seconds for it to turn on. If I press the button again during this moment, it would turn back off. This light indicates heating is turning on. And you can see pressing it a second time turns it off. Same for the waterfall feature. If I press this, it'll take about 20-30 seconds to get going. And if I were to press it again, it would turn it back off, so I have to wait. Only one thing can be running at a time, waterfall or spa. And you can switch modes, so if waterfall's running, you can just press spa, but to turn either off, you have to press the same one again. So to turn the system off, I'm just going to turn the waterfall off by pressing it again. And the system shuts down. The key takeaway is wait. If you want the spa temperature changed, just text us at the office that you've been sent your door codes from, and we'll be able to change the target temperature for you.